guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I don't look that great today, but that is because this afternoon I'm heading out to go and get LASIK, so no more glasses for me. I wanted to get on here and show you guys an influencer box that I recently got. It was their summer vacay box. But before I jump into this, don't forget to subscribe and click that thumbs up button. Okay, so I've had this for a few months now, and I've tested out some of the products and some of them I haven't. One of the things I haven't tested out, but I'm super excited to, I haven't tested them out because I'm wearing glasses still. Once I get my LASIK, I'm gonna try these out. But it is the Kiss lashes in Page Boy. I think that these are super pretty. They just look very natural. It comes with the instructions on the back as well as some glue in there to use as well. So I'm super excited to try these out in the next couple of weeks. And I don't know if I will give you guys my thoughts on them in this video, but maybe a future video I will. So there's those. And then Eva NYC sent over their Clean It Up shampoo and Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. I haven't used either of these yet either, and that is because I want to go buy the Clean It Up conditioner so that it's all the same. I feel like for me anyways, for my hair, I need to use the shampoo and the conditioner together in order to get a true honest review on if I like them both or not. And then this is argan oil with sunflower seed, and it's for all hair types. I just use this like after you use heat on your hair. I don't use heat on my hair a lot, and that is why I haven't used this yet, but I will use it soon. Okay, something that I have tried out was from Invisibobble. I got 3 of their, I'll show you what it looks like. I got 3 of their Invisibobble hair ties. These are great. I really like them. I don't think, they don't last as long as regular hair ties for me. I don't think. The one that I have is pretty stretched out. This is a brand new one, and they do tend to stretch out a little bit as you use them, but they do shrink back down over time, but mine hasn't shrunken back this small again. And I wonder if I get a blow dryer and put some heat on it, if it will. It probably will. I just haven't done it yet. But this works great, and I will show you, and I'll give you my review on it right now. I took it to the gym, and so here's that. Hey guys, so I'm headed to the gym, and I wanted to try out the Invisibobble, and so I'm just going to put this in my hair in the regular updo. And when I go to the gym, I go to spin class and Pilates. So I'll be gone for 2 hours, and we'll see how this holds up. I am taking my backup hair ties just in case, because I don't want to have a failure at the gym. So I'm just doing this exactly like I do my regular ponytails. I'm not doing anything special or fancy or different because it says it's just supposed to work like a regular hair tie. Initial take, sorry guys, it looks crazy. Let me fix that. Initial take, it doesn't feel as heavy. It feels a little bit loose, but I don't know guys, I guess we will see. It does say that this is traceless, avoids headaches, so maybe that's why it feels loose, because it's not a tight hair tie. It's hair care, non-soaking, strong grip, revolutionary updo tool. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll check in after the gym, probably in my car, and I'll let you know how the hair did if I had to resort to my go-tos. Okay, so I just finished my workout. I'm exhausted. It was a hard night for both classes. But the Invisibobble did well. It kind of fell just a little bit, but I mean, I think my own hair ties fall a little bit as they stretch out. So for a first time use, it did awesome. It did have a hard time hanging on to my layers that I have in my hair. But again, that happens when, sorry, there's a bad sun glare. But again, that happens when I just use a regular hair tie sometimes too. So it could just be the way I tied it this time. I'm definitely going to give it another try, but so far I love it. I am gonna take it out because a claim that it has is that it does not kink your hair. And so I am gonna take it out for you guys right now, and we'll see if you see any kinks in my hair. which, just so you guys know, this is killing me to take my hair out right now because I am so hot. I don't even want to do this. And it's stuck. Which it's not its fault. My own hair ties get stuck in my hair. So, okay. So this has been in my hair for 2.5 hours. What do you think? Does it hold up to the claim that it doesn't kink? I think it does, because I think these kinks are just for where I had it looped over in my pony. Because it was just looped once. You guys see that? That's impressive. That's impressive. So yeah, I think the Invisibobble, I think it's a keeper. And, oh, and I was going to tell you guys, it did, it was like lightweight on my hair. It didn't feel heavy. So like I didn't feel tight the whole time, which freaked me out at first because I'm like, it's gonna fall out. This isn't gonna work. But it didn't. So, I mean, I think it holds up to the claim that it also doesn't cause headaches. I don't think it said that, but it won't cause a headache. Maybe it did. Anyways, so Invisibobble, I check them out. Okay, and the last thing I was given in this box was a coupon to go get the new Sour Patch Fire and Freeze Sour Patch Kids. I got a coupon to go and get one, and I ended up buying both. And me and my husband did a taste test video, but that I will post separately just because it's so long and I think it's so funny. But I will leave that review down in the description box below, so you guys be sure to check that out as well. But all in all, I liked everything that I got in this box. This is the first time I've gotten more than just one product to review and try out for you guys, and it was awesome. For those of you who don't know, this isn't a sponsored video. I wasn't paid to do this. They sent me these products for free to try out, to give an honest review. For those of you who'd like to receive free products, all you have to do is download the Influencer app and sign up, and they will send you surveys, and based on your answers to those surveys, they will send you out free product or not. It's just kind of luck of the draw. It did take me a few months to start receiving boxes, and now I do get surveys probably once a month in my email. But it's pretty fun. It's pretty simple and easy to do. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and next time I see you, I won't have glasses, so that will be exciting. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, be polished, wear polish, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.